I welcome you back to our training, and I believe you have all completed with the grade of the other subjects that I instructed you to complete. In this video, we are going to deal with the aggregates and also deal with the combo box that I talk about. That will be the interest of the people and the conduct and the attitude of the people. Now, with aggregate, there are two ways of doing the aggregate. That for the primary school or the GHS, we normally select the best 6 irrespective of the subject. You select the best 6. So there's a formula for doing that. And another one is if you want to select the EMS, that the English, Math, Science, and then select additional best 3 subjects. That's what the SHS use. So the SHS, they select the first, some of the first 4, that's the first core subjects, the first 4 core subjects, that's English, Math, Science, and Social Studies. Then they select the best 2 of the elective. So I'm going to teach you the 2 formulas of find aggregate, so that in terms of need, you can use any of the formulas. Now we are going to start with the formula for finding the aggregate at the GHS level, so at the SHS level. That's where you find the English, Math, Science, and then you select or you calculate for the best 3 other subjects, making 6. That's the best 6. So you first of all need to enter the formula. So we are going to enter the formula. So with the formula, you click on your equal sign. Then you are going to select the range of cells. That's where Maths, English, and Science is. So anytime you want to use that formula, you need to arrange the cells in such a way that Maths will follow English and Science. That means the Science, English, and Maths will be at one area in the order. Unless without that, you can't use this formula. So for our tutorial, English, Math, Science is in this order, so you can use this formula. So with that, you first of all need to add or find the sum of the first 3 core subjects. So we are going to find the sum of English, Math, and Science. So you click on the sum function, then you open your bracket, then the range of cells for English, starting for English, is BW4. BW4, that will be the cell 4. Then you bring your column, then the last cell will be BY4. So that is the range for the core subject, English, Math, Science. Then you bring your comma. So we are now going to select the best 3 out of the rest of the subjects. So with that, we use the function called the small function. So the small function will calculate the smallest grade and add them up for you. So with that, you enter the small function after the comma. You enter the small function, then you open another bracket. But before that, that function also need to be in brackets. So let's bring our bracket there. Then before you bring your small function, and you bring another bracket. Now the range of cells that we are going to find the small grade from is from BZ. That's BZ4. Then you bring your column to CF4. So that's the range of cells we are going to select the best 3 from. Then you add them to the total of the core subjects. Then after that, you bring your comma again. So how many smallest numbers are you going to find? You're going to find the best 3. So the range should be in 3. So you bring your curly brackets. You open curly bracket, then you bring your 1, 2, and 3. That means we want the best 3. Then you close your curly bracket. Then you close your range bracket. You close your small function bracket. Then you close your sum function bracket. Then hit your enter. You see, it have calculated the sum for us there. Sorry, the aggregate for us. So with this aggregate, it has added up English, Math, Science, and has also selected any of the best 3 subjects from the rest of the subjects, making you get aggregate 40. So this is another formula. Now let's take the other formula, whereby you select the best 6 straightforward, irrespective of the subject. You select the best 6. So this one we never use it in primary schools. So with that, you are going to use only the sum functions and the formula, so the small function formula. So you enter your equal sign. So let me use the second cell for that. That is the CG5 for that. So you enter your equal sign. Then you enter your sum function. Then you open your bracket. Then your small function will come. Then you open another bracket. Now the range of cells that you are going to find, that means from English to PE. So the cell for English is BW5. Then you bring your column. Then the last cell is CF5. Then you bring your comma. Now you bring your curly bracket again. Then the numbers or the list of items you are going to find the smallest function from. So we want the best 6. So you list 1 to 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. Then you close your bracket, your curly bracket. Then you close your small function bracket. Then you close your sum function bracket. Then hit on enter. So this is another way of finding the aggregates. So any of them that you want, you can use it, but we want to use the other one, the first one, which the SHS use. That's the best. You select the core, the 3 core, or maybe the 4 core. Then you find the best 3 from the rest of the subjects. Then you sum it up. So this is how you find the aggregates. So I want you to continue with the rest. Now our next item on the list is how to use the developer tab in use, or how to use the combo box and other developer tab attributes or features. So we are going to start with the the combo box. So with the combo box is whereby you click on the arrow and it will give you a list of items that you want to select from. So we are going to do that in our next video. So I don't want the video to be long, so I'll end here and continue in our next video. Thank you for watching.